This video is going to go through the 2022 Junior Cycle Graphics paper, question 1. So part A tells you to fill in the label for each part of the circle shown below by selecting from the given list. So the first thing we're going to take is we're going to start here. We'll start top left and work our way around this way. So here we have our sector. So a sector basically is a part enclosed by two radii. So you see there, it goes all the way to the centre. There's a radius here and a radius here, and the area enclosed is known as a sector. And as always, we tick them off as we do them. This one's pointing our line here. Line going all the way through the centre of the circle from the circumference at one side to the other, and that is known as our diameter. After that then, we're looking at a full half of a circle, so that would be our semicircle there. This point at the outside of our circle, the outline, which is the circumference. And then this one here is pointing at a line that touches the circle at 2 points. It's not going through the centre, so therefore that is a chord. And our last part here, the area enclosed by a chord is known as a segment. So that completes part A there. B then tells us, shown on the right below is a portion of a pizza AOB. The portion AOB is to be divided into two equal slices. On the image below, draw a line from point O that will divide the portion AOB into two equal slices, so show all construction clearly. And then part 2 then, if the measure of angle AOB is 60 degrees, how many of these portions would form a full circular pizza? So first thing we're going to do is divide our lines, so bisecting our angle. So we've done this since first year. We take any distance in our compass from O, swing an arc to hit 2 points here and here, and then we can extend our distance in our compass, swing an arc from there and swing an arc from there. When they cross over, we have a point in the middle, and when we join that point back to O, that will divide our angle there. So that's now divided into two equal parts. The next part then, we're looking at how many slices of pizza are going to fit into if they're cut at 60 degrees. So it tells us the measure of the angle AOB is 60 degrees, how many of these portions will form a full circular pizza. So how many of these slices can we get into a full pizza? We know for a full circle that it's 360 degrees. So if we take 360 degrees, divide it by 60, because that's the angle given, we'll get 6 slices as a result. So our number of portions is going to be 6. So just show the maths beside it. Show 60 goes in 360 degrees 6 times. For part C then, the image on the right shows a design for a sweet jar. Complete the drawing of the sweet jar design below by 1. Locating the centre of the large circle, and then 2. Complete the drawing as shown in the image on the right. Show all constructions clearly. So this part here involves chords. We've defined the centre of the circle, and we know that we take 2 chords, for example those 2 there, and we bisect them to find the midpoint. For example this one here. We know that somewhere along that chord is going to be the centre of our circle, therefore we take a second one as well. We're doing the exact same thing again here. Where those 2 lines cross over each other, that gives me my centre point. So that's part 1 then. Part 2 then is using the information given here. We draw the exact same thing below. So let's take my center line across here as it is there, and I'm going to take it down to find my line on the ground there for the sweet jar. So I take that down there, and down there. I take my center line down as well, and I'm told it's 15 mil for the lower half there. I can now take that line across. The width of it, you can see there, is taken from the width of the circle. Those two lines, or that line, sorry, is connected to the center there and there. It's only heavy up until it hits the circle, like that. Let's move that down a bit so you can see it a bit clearer. And then for the top half of the sweet jar, it's down 15 for my line going across there. And then the circle then just above it, and it is a radius of 12. So I just went up 12, and then I draw in my circle of radius 12 there, and that completes question 1. So hopefully this video helps anyone who may have been stuck on any of the parts there.